Hello everybody, hope everyone's having a fantastic day today, enjoying the bank holiday. So tonight I'm going to cook myself a southern fried chicken, crunchy southern fried chicken. There you go, there's the ingredients there. So I'm going to have one of them. Do myself some eggs in a basket, and with that I'm going to have a couple of eggs, got some Kerrygold, got a ciabatta roll, got some jalapenos, and also got, tie it up a lot, some cheese. Bit of cheese in there. Let's see if we can zoom in a bit. There you go, that's a bit better. A bit more light on that. Get some jalapenos in there. I'm just going to chuck a couple of eggs in there. To the eggs, I'm just going to add a bit of salt and pepper. Just a bit of pepper. Bit of egg in there. Just going to bake them yolked up a bit. A bit more together. I'm just going to pour that over the top. I'm going to pop that in the air fryer for about 11 minutes. Just a bit more cheese in it. Here's another one of them. Here's a bit of chicken. Just going to chuck that in there like that. I'll chuck that in the air fryer as well for 8 minutes. So the other one's 11 minutes and that one's 8 minutes. They're both on 200. The air fryer button on Ninja. And they're going. So I'm just going to pop a bit of brown sauce on that. Say brown sauce. A bit of chef brown sauce. I'm just going to bang that in the air fryer as well, just to heat up, just to warm it through. Melt the butter. Right, so it's just about done, and there you go. Egg, cheese, jalapeno, spicy chicken, ciabatta roll, Kerrygold, bit of chef brown sauce as well. So, spicy chicken, egg, jalapenos, cheese, a blend of 4. What's in the cheese? I'll leave it in the description. Thanks, people. Have a good evening, people. Bye bye.